Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is April 23, 2020, Thursday. And as you can see, sunny sunshine because it's spring na dito sa Denmark. And this is actually our first time to visit this place again for a very long time. For a very long time.
First we went Philippines,
and
then quarantine.
Yeah, last visit namin dito was last year. And then we went to Philippines, and then after Philippines, we were in quarantine, and then then here is the coronavirus. So first time namin pumunta ulit dito, and it's so nice guys. It's just, we need to clean up. Like in sobrang makalat dito, tapos yung grasses sobrang mataas na, so we have to clean up today and hope na maging presentable siya tingnan. But before doing that, we're having our lunch. Ano pa ba yung lunch na napaka-easy? McDonald's. So, my fries ako dito, and then my chicken. So, we have to eat first before we do the hard work. So, yun yung gagawin namin today. Itutour ko kayo sa garden house na ito. And don't be shocked kasi ano siya, parang gigibain na talaga yung garden house na to. So, it's so messy, it's so dirty, and it's not strong. Like, I think kung sisipain mo yung one of these walls, magigiba na. So, the plan is we're gonna abolish? I don't know, we're gonna smash this.
Bullish? What is a bullish?
I don't know what to
Are you
say.
thinking about demolish?
Demolish. We're gonna demolish this house. And maybe in the future, I know, we're gonna build a new one that will be much more stronger and much more livable in a way. So you're gonna have a little tour of this garden house that's gonna be demolished soon. So this is like the terraza area, and then makikita nyo there, makikita nyo din yung asawa ko dyan, upo-upo lang. And then he's stressed out what to do with this. How do we start from this? Because we really need to clean up the garden also, but this house obviously hindi namin kailangang linisin because it's useless. It's just the garden. We have to cut the grasses and throw the trash.
We know that from the start that the house is not worth anything. It needs to be turned down. It's just, and all the things I say is basically something Bob's left behind as they were. It's nothing. Of course, it's ours now, but it's also gonna be thrown out.
Okay. So anyway, so sali-sali naman siya guys. He really wanna involve himself so much. I just wanna make a tour, but then he's making a lot of comments. So anyway, let's start now. So this is supposedly the living room area here. The living room and the dining area from before, right? So imagine nyo na lang that space to here, and then there are a lot of windows, which I actually really like because it makes the space looking like it's big. So yan. And when you look in this side, the left side from the door, as soon as you get in left side is this one, and I think the previous owner, this is their bedroom, yung previous owner nito. So yan. And then here, when you get in, there's another space here. And this is the kitchen. And may maliit siyang ref. My oven then. And then my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know, mga, yeah, where you can store your plates and all that. But as you can see, it's so dirty. It has been abandoned for so many years. There. Tapos nagli-leak din yung water diyan pag may umulan. Cobwebs there, cabinet, ito. Then the previous owner, he got a lot of gardening book. So me and Martin were not really into, like, we've never tried planting. I don't know when he was young, maybe he tried, but I've never done it before, all this gardening thing. So, ayan. Apparently, may mga guides kung kailan dapat i-plant yung mga flowers na to. Depende sa season. There. Ang dami niya, guys. Ito pa. Meron pa dyan, dyan, dyan. And then, when you look here, there's another door. And the door is connected to the back. But I tried to open this before, but I just can't. See? Ow! Ugh. Oh my God! Ooh, uy. Ang daming spiders, guys. So, there is a back. Ugh. Ganyanin muna natin. Wait, hanap muna tayo ng something. I don't wanna pass my... Ang daming cobwebs there. May spider pa. Yes. Now, I'm ready to get in. No, get out pala. O, ayaw na niyang ma-open. Hanggang dyan lang. So, we go out. Ow, ow, ow. There you go. So, this is the back area. And, ano siya guys, malaking space din siya dito. It could have been really nice pag pwede mag-grill-grill, ganyan, or mag-plant dito ng vegetables and fruits. Gusto kong gawin yun. Actually, maybe this year. Let's see kung magagawa ko ba siya this year. And this one guys, this is actually grapes. Pero, hindi magandang grapes. Ano siya, last year, bumunga siya, ang dami, pero hindi siya masarap, yung maliliit na grapes lang, na parang, basta hindi siya nakakain. So this, and then you go here. There's also space here, and this is the house area, and this is where you can store your things. There you go. Oh, maganda sana dito. May upuan pa. Pwedeng mag-relax. There. So, yan. Punta tayo dito. Let's see. Pero sobrang messy lang talaga, guys. But we bought this because it was really cheap. Yung owner nito is friend ni Martin. Open natin siya. Ew. Yung owner nito, friend ni Martin. And nabili namin siya in a very cheap price. And we bought it not because of the house, because obviously it's useless. Pero yung space niya, see that? Ang laki ng space niya. Pwede ka talaga makapag-relax dito. And see, it's nice. And then we will go back inside again. Charan!
Big as fuck.